Are you looking to move into a community that allows you to be your own designer? Well, if you love HGTV as much as I do, this home is going to be the right one for you. We're currently at Moore Farms by Dream Finders. It's located in Union County in Indian Trail, not to be confused with Indian Land, which is much closer to Fort Mill in South Carolina. This community has 8 different floor plans, and when they're done, there's going to be 157 homes in here. There are no amenities, but you do get sidewalks on both sides. And I know that sounds strange, but not every community offers sidewalks. So that's a huge feature, especially if you're a dog owner like me. Now, this Millbrook right here is 2,932 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, but it can all be reconfigured to fit your family's needs. Let's take a look at the Millbrook floor plan in just a moment. Welcome to the Millbrook floor plan. But before I get into it, let me tell you who I am. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty, and I service both North and South Carolina. One thing that makes me a lot different from other agents is that before going into real estate, I got a degree in interior design and I had my own business. That allows me to see things from a different perspective. And I've already analyzed this home so that in case you decide to build it, I've already given you some tips on how to make it a beautiful, beautiful space that'll be functional, because function always comes before beauty. Now, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Charlotte metro area, feel free to contact me using any of the contact information below. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you can continue getting notifications that I've posted a new video. All right, let's get into this home. Now, this hallway right here is pretty spacious, which I love. And the fact that you can put a cabinet here, unlike their other model, which doesn't allow you to put a cabinet in that space. But there is something that's happening here that I've already identified, and there's not enough light. Look at this door, it's completely solid. So if you decide to build this floor plan, you have 2 options. You can either put a transom window at the top if you're one of those people that likes a lot of privacy, or you can get the glass insert, so then you get a flood of light into the space. And that's gonna make it way more appealing. The Millbrook floor plan is the #1 seller at Moore Farms, and with good reason. There are a lot of ways to reconfigure the space. Take, for example, this room I'm sitting in. This is a guest suite, but you can actually make it into a study, keep the double wide doors, and then get a powder room. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, as a guest suite right now, you get a full bathroom, which means you have a shower tub combination, plus your vanity, plus your commode. But if you decide to go with the option of using this as an office, you can close off this section and your guests can use your half bath if they need to. As you move towards the back of the house, you notice that it gets a lot more open concept. Here, you have the option of adding a fireplace, and if you watch my videos enough, you'll know that I always say that if your house costs more than $500,000, you need to add a fireplace. It's one of those features that just ups the luxury in a home. Another thing that I noticed here is that they did trim work. Remember that builders do not include this kind of trim if you were to purchase the house, but it does give you some ideas of what you can do in your own home. And I think this half round is pretty brilliant. As we move into this kitchen, look at this island. It is massive. So if you like to bake or cook, this is plenty of space to prep. You also have the option of adding a gas cooktop as well as an exposed hood, or doing the built-in microwave over a range. Another thing that's really unique about the Millbrook floor plan is the fact that here you see that there's a dining space, but there is the option to open this up and make it a 3-season room. So you could actually be exposed to the sun and get a lot more light flooding into this area. Plus, on the opposite side, you have a covered porch. This thing is so amazing. One of the things that I love about Dreamfinders is that they're still using really high quality materials. Notice here that they have hardy plank, and in the front of the house, they're going to use either stone or brick, depending on the elevation you choose. Another thing that I love about the back part of this house is you have a massive walk-in pantry, and you have the option of changing this area. Remember when we walked in, that guest suite had a full bathroom, but the problem is that if you have visitors, they would have to walk into somebody's guest suite in order to use the bathroom. Well, you do have the option here of changing this to a half bath. So that would mean that all of your guests could use this bathroom while keeping your guests with their privacy at all times. Dreamfinders is proving that not all builders are made the same. Unlike a lot of builders who will transition from a 9-foot lower level to an 8-foot upper level, they keep both floors at 9 feet. I know this doesn't seem like it's very important, but it is. Try when you buy a ceiling fan to try to find a hugger that you really like. So this gives you the option of getting whatever ceiling fan you prefer. Also, in this loft area here, you can either leave it wide open like this and make it kind of a multi-use space for the family. You can make it a rec room, or you can choose to close it off. Actually, this part back here can become a sitting room for your primary suite. And in addition to a sitting room, you can even add an ensuite study. So if you are the kind of person that works from home, you get to work in your room and it be separate from your actual sleeping quarters. Another feature that Dreamfinders adds is that they do 5 3/4 baseboards as a standard. I know this seems like a small detail, but it's actually really important in interior design. The higher a baseboard is, the more luxury your property seems. So if you decide to go to design instead of doing a quick move-in, you can get a baseboard that's even higher. And another thing is that the laundry room is always going to be close to your primary bedroom, and there's no difference here. This already large bedroom has the option of adding both a sitting room and an ensuite study, which would mean that your loft would get smaller, but your primary bedroom would get larger. Who doesn't want that? With this added feature of a tray ceiling, this home has so much to offer. It already has 5 bedrooms, plus in the configuration that we're in now, it has 3 bathrooms, but you can actually make it 3.5 baths. Who could ask for more? This primary bathroom is pretty spacious. I actually think I could do a couple of yoga poses in here. You have your double bow vanity, as you should, and you have this stand-up shower where the towel goes all the way to the ceiling. I know that may not seem important, but some builders will not take it all the way up. Heck, some builders won't even give you towel at all. So Dreamfinders is really doing something special here. Plus, you have this built-in vanity where you can either do your makeup, you can fold, you can do whatever you'd like at this table, as well as you have your walk-in closet. Now, I know for some people, it seems a little weird to have a walk-in closet in your primary bathroom, but that's super typical of the Charlotte metro area. The Millbrook floor plan is designed as a split plan. And what that means is that the primary bedroom is on one side of the house and the secondary bedrooms are on another part of the house. So you have 2 bedrooms here, plus a linen closet, and you have a bathroom that is servicing both of those bedrooms. But the really cool thing is that if you have a guest, that guest can actually get their own bathroom inside of this additional suite. Dreamfinders is doing something pretty special at Moore Farms in Indian Trail. They have 8 different floor plans here with 3 different elevations, either including stone or brick. They also have prices starting at $429,900, and they can go anywhere from 3 bedrooms to 6 bedrooms and anything in between. They start at 1,735 square feet to 3,305 square feet. We're actually at the Millbrook, which is starting at $502,000. So this floor plan that we just viewed, it had 5 bedrooms and 3 baths, but like I said, you can change that up and make it work for your family and your needs. This community in Indian Trail is close to places like Publix, Target, and one of my favorite restaurants called Cafetal. If you're looking for a realtor that also speaks Spanish, me encantaría trabajar con usted. Me llamo Yari Karina Jones y yo trabajo en Carolina del Norte y Carolina del Sur. Thank you so much for watching. I'm with Lifestyle International Realty. It's been a pleasure. See you next time.